Today's the day. I'm starting my own compost pile, full of worms, rich soil, and zero waste. Nature, do your thing. What is this? Where are my worms?
Turns out worms aren't garbage disposals. They have standards. Too wet, they drown. Too dry, they pack up and leave. Too much food? It turns into a rotten, worm-killing sludge.
I made a worm swamp. Scraps are good, but without dry leaves or newspaper. Total disaster. It should be damp like a wrung-out sponge, not a soup. No citrus, no onions. But coffee grounds, eggshells and banana peels. 5-star dining. They're alive.
Composting isn't just throw scraps in and hope for the best. It's a science. But get it right, and you've got the best fertilizer nature can make.
And subscribe for more gardening fails, tips.